Hi. What's up? It's me. I'm here. Been here. Why? Why is there so much stuff? Okay, I've had a very day. A very day. That's all I gotta say. Just a very day. Alright? It's been a time. Like, holy, it's been a time. Hello, hi. Oh my gosh. Got a letter from my mom. Got a traveler's backpack, an outdoor backpack. Flick is on your island. That's exciting. Whew. I've been like cleaning all day, as I say every other day. I don't really want to get into the cleaning. Okay, we got double the flick. That's fun. I moved this bookshelf that had been in my room for, I don't even know how many years at this point. Let's just say at least a decade. Okay, and this bookshelf has not moved since. I moved it out, and then there's weird stuff on the wall. I was like, is that the paint? But I'm pretty sure it was white mold. I know this is an Animal Crossing stream, and white mold doesn't really have any place in that, but that's why I sound slightly dead right now, because I had to clean that. It's all good now, I think, which is great, and now my room looks like super open, so even playing right now is like strange, which is based on that. It is nearly 8 nope. Let's try that again. It's nearly 9 o'clock, which means some different bugs and fish maybe be out. I don't know if that's actually even true at this point. Might be for the water guys. But that means the Able Sisters will be closing shortly, so I'm just gonna hit the rocks and then I will maybe drop a couple of things outside, and after that I will deal with the Able Sisters. Alright, Mr. Centipede, I will catch you. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to buy everything out quickly before I miss my chance. Okay, I see Wisp up there. That was, that's like laser sight. I don't know how I spotted him from that far away. Alright, Leaf is here today, which is very easy for me. I don't really need to put any effort into the visitor when Leaf is here, because it's not like I'm trying to complete anything. Wait, yeah, I was probably gonna say it was a carp, because I wanted to encourage some sort of carp pooling, but it's not the case. Okay, so we're just gonna drop these 5 guys. That's great. Alright. Let's go here quickly. Alright, I don't see anything immediately, but You never know. I have no idea what I'm doing. Leaf. Alright, I wrote down leaf. Good start. Okay, I found the sheet. Yeah, this is gonna be a day. It's gonna be time. Bobby socks. Schmobby schmops. No, no, no. I only need 60 more pieces of headwear, apparently. From the store, at least. That doesn't include, like, Gulliver stuff and whatnot. That's just the store. Oh, there's baby rompers. No. And fairy dresses. No. Okay, apparently I have 3 baby rompers for some reason. There are 8. And I need baby blue, baby mint, baby green, baby pink, and purple. So pink, purple. I have orange, I have yellow, and then this guy. So I think I just need to buy, like, this guy, those 2, no, these 2, those 2, and that one. And then if I look at the fairy dresses, I need all 5 of those? Really? I think you're so far behind. On what? I don't. I'm sorry. What do you think you're far behind on? I'm laughing at myself here, not at you. I'm like losing the plot over here, apparently. Collecting all the clothes. Oh yeah. I definitely didn't go too crazy into it during the first month or so, I'd say. Because I was trying to, like, save my money for, like, paying off the debts and whatnot, you know. So I didn't spend much. I didn't, like, buy them. I don't think I'm making sense at this point. My head is just imagine just, like, white noise in my head. That's all that's going on here. Yeah, no, yeah, I didn't spend, yeah, like, first month, just a write-off. I barely bought any clothes. I, like, looked for stuff that I specifically wanted, I think, but I didn't buy, like, everything, because I was maybe not undecided as to whether I was going to go in on it or not. The whole, like, tons of variants thing was, you know, off-putting at the start, to say the least, but apparently I decided to wear the dress by accident, so that's fun. But I've got, like, a lot of the stuff, right? Like, if I look at socks and shoes, I need about 80 of each. But a lot of those are Kicks things at this point, or they're like fall/winter things. And then headwear's at 60. The bottoms are at 130. 4 dresses are at 220. So I mean, like, those ones a little bit higher up. Apparently I have like, oh wait. I'm missing. I have a lot of, oh, I mean, I don't know. I'm just gonna buy things here. I'm just rambling at this point. Okay, I don't need any of this stuff, do I? I don't think I do, so, denim pants, no. Comedian pants, no. Long sailor skirt, no. Don't need that, don't need that, I don't need that. I already have that thing. Alright, Alright, that's it for the Able Sisters. I'm now gonna run around in a dress for the rest of the night. Am I being serious? I don't know at this point. Anything's possible. Okay, so I'm gonna talk to friendly old ghost boy. Oh, shoot, I forgot. I have stars to pick up. That's annoying. Yeah, so I did wish upon stars yesterday. I think it looks nice. It kinda almost goes with the hat. Almost. So it's good enough. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no, I've trolled myself. I don't actually remember the last time I saw Liz. It's been a while. Definitely been a while. Alright, so I was messing around shaking trees, trying to like get a good idea of how things actually work with the really. Ow. Really? I just whacked the controller in the desk. I knew it as soon as I tried to run. Oh, there we go. Okay. Jeez, make me work for it. Okay. So I shook this tree because of whatever. And now this is how I have to deal with things, so that's fun. I want to just scroll down for a second here. I think my day counter is way off if that says 167. Oops. Called Gulliver 17 times. Wow. Okay. So yes, I have a bunch of stars I have to get that I totally forgot about. It's kind of annoying because the stars take a while to like spawn. So it kind of like forces you to play a little bit longer. So I don't, okay, that's a salmon. That's a salmon. 100% a salmon. It's taking too long. I know I'm very impatient sometimes, apparently. Okay, I'm gonna just focus on, you know, getting things done here. Because I'm honestly not feeling 100% here. I've got a pretty bad headache. And I used a lot of energy cleaning. So, we're just gonna focus on getting everything done. Probably won't do much extra. House. Alright. Where is the person crafting and why is everyone inside? There's a lot of stars right there. There's one recipe. What is it, dude? Trophy case. You have that. I don't remember when. It's too many. Okay, well, we got the recipe, we got the furniture, we get the rocks. Getting these stars. So there's probably not going to be, yeah, there's not any there. So I have 12 stars, that seems to be the right number. Fauna has given me a peach hat, which I literally just had the other day. So, thank you, Fauna. Next. Catfish are tiny, that's good. So as I said yesterday, I put some ponds there just so I can try to get the pond fish for the sake of models. I'm just going to put them there for now, near the pond, until I have like 3. I think that's the best idea. I still have to deal with all the items in my inventory. I don't think I have a trophy case, but I think I have a peach hat. So what I'm gonna do, is that gonna fit? That should fit, right? Yeah. I'm gonna go get my part. And part. Okay, so I wrote the trophy case down there. Okay, that might be a catfish. No, that might be Edgar. That might, who knows what this is at this point. It's a pain to catch because it's in a pond. That's all I know. Alright, well, this guy's gonna be able to carp pool pretty soon, if you ask me. Gonna move that up. Oh, he's tiny too. Sweet. Alright, this inventory looks disgusting, if you ask me. A warm painting, mom's cushion, traveler's backpack, outdoor backpack, broom and dustpan. Oh, really? You're sending me more Taylor's tickets? Why you gotta do that to me? I didn't even use the ones from today or whatever. Terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Alright, let me just do that. Let's just go to storage real quick. I didn't actually mark off those clothes that I bought just now because I'm losing the plot. Did I get a marble dots dress? Why does that sound familiar? No, it's that. Alright. What did I buy? Fairy dress and something else up top. What the heck was it? Baby romper. Okay, good thing I actually bought them all. Because I didn't check. And I remember when I was buying the baby, like, pacifier thingies, I totally just could not get the colors right. So I'm happy that I got them right. So, fairy dress. Good, good, good. I'm gonna open up the second catalog here. Okay. Alright, don't need those. Great. That's that. What is this? A hula doll. Yeah, you'll get them. Don't worry, you'll get them. Unless you already have them. Alright, so I've got a warm painting that I'm going to donate. This guy can get sold. Alright, I don't have enough kits. I want to see if you can customize this hula doll. You can. That's right, you can customize the hula doll. Okay, which one do I like the most? I feel like the green is like iconic, but I kind of like this red one. This looks like Sleeping Beauty if you ask me, like the colors. But anyway, this is a hula doll from Gulliver. So you can customize Gulliver's furniture to get the other variants, so that's cool and good to know. Because I did customize the katana to get all of those. The hats are where things get tricky, though. Snow White, not Sleeping Beauty. I'm so sorry. You're right. I meant to say Snow White. I'm very sorry. My brain is not working. My brain is not working to the extent where Snow White and Sleeping Beauty get distilled down to Disney princess that has 2 words in their name that begins with the letter S. That's what she gets reduced to. I apologize. It shouldn't be that way, but it is that way. Oh my god, this is adorable. Look at this guy. The denim one is lame. Thankfully, these only take 1 kit. So this is really easy. This is good, because it'll eat up time, so I can wait for the stars to spawn. That's a win right there. Okay. I'm gonna put that cushion away. I'm gonna put Hula Doll away, the kits. Alright. So I have a long bathtub to check out, the party garland, the warm painting, and a broom and dustpan. I don't know where broom and dustpan actually go on this list. Not there. They might be wall mounted. Yeah, so natural and white. This is going to be something new. The natural one is new. Going to scroll all the way to the bottom. You see the warm painting there. This thing is... Oh gosh. Oh, this spreadsheet is so problematic. Oh, there's so much I have to fix on this spreadsheet. Ah. Investigate. So apparently there's an entire set reported for the diner stuff that doesn't actually exist. That's lovely. This thing, I need to investigate fake paintings. Get it? Because I'm investigating whether the fake paintings are fake. As far as I remember, the Warren painting has no variant. No, it's not. It's always genuine. But my spreadsheet does say fake, so that sucks. I'm gonna have to deal with that. Also, I have like a missing spreadsheet channel for some reason. I don't know why. So I've added some notes there. I have a lot to fix with this spreadsheet. I spend so much time cleaning up my room just so I can let everything with my spreadsheet pile up. It's great. Okay, moving on. Gonna look for the long bathtub. White marble, and light blue. I feel like I did have 3 colors before. But let me just double check. So light blue, white, and white marble. Yep, unfortunately I do have that already. Do I need to worry about that though? If it's white marble, which looks like that, then yes. Okay, moving on. What is next? The Hula Doll and Mom's Cushion. So boom, 6 variants of the Hula Doll. I've clicked the wrong thing again. I love opening windows by accident. It's one of my pastimes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great, that's not wrong. And then we can scroll over here. Boom, Mom's Cushion. I don't know why I'm saying that it's Mom's Cushion, but whatever. So there's 6 variants there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. Spring Blossoms. I don't know if I have that. Apparently I do. Unless it's like missing. No, apparently I have it. Great. Yeah, and this is the same stuff that I always see that I don't need. Okay. So long bathtub. So I need to check this thing can go. Party garland, and then a traveler's backpack and outdoor backpack. Pop, I think, is new. Nope. Colorful is new. Okay, now we're gonna go over here. Backpack. So there's an outdoor backpack. Orange, avocado, and navy blue. I think that navy blue is new in this case. No, avocado. Alright, that's the last outdoor backpack. Lovely. And then the last traveler's backpack. You can see brown is there now. Brown. Or orange. Orange is the new one. My bad. Alright, cool. So that's that. So I can sell this stuff. I'm going to donate that. I can sell this. Now let me just check to see what kind of a bathtub this is. It's not the one I need, so it can get sold. Oh man, okay. I'm still looking for the last 2 wisp things. But it's another jar. I'll take it. gonna complain. If the game wants to give me Gars, I will take them. So across all the errors on my spreadsheet, there might be a considerable amount of things that don't actually exist. I feel like there's more things that are there that shouldn't be there than things that are missing, but you never know. I don't have any of this stuff past 1.2 on there yet either, so I'll probably just wait for the next update and have everything. It's more efficient that way, you know. Alright, so I did mark the painting down in one place. I'm gonna mark it down on the painting page now. That's 15 pieces of art now. Yes, 15 pieces of art. There are 43. Got all the fossils. Got however many of the deep sea dudes. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. Alright, I feel like I don't need this stuff. You just did your 10th piece of art today. Not bad. Not bad. I'm looking for this outdoor air conditioner, question mark? Is this, what is this, outdoor? Must be miscellaneous. Where the heck is this? What? Where is this thing? Oh, it's just a one-off. Not bad. It's just a one-off. Already have it. This is an office desk. Already have it. I don't think I need that. TV I already have. Hourglass in black. Dishes. Alright. So, store's got nothing for me. That's lovely. Got red balloons in my store today, but I already have a boatload of those. Legit, a boatload, so I can skip on that too. Alright, I'm gonna sell this stuff. So one fun thing to mention is that what was I gonna say? One fun thing to mention is that I helped a friend. Well, I think I've helped narrow down their island seed. I'm not sure if they've got it yet, but I did give some advice. You know, I think they've got something that works. They kept going through different seeds, but they didn't match some things that they didn't put in or whatever. So, either way, we'll find out in a couple days because there's supposed to be like a heavy meteor shower then or something. That makes it pretty obvious. But I used that to try to convince another friend to finally get their seed. So like I said, I just the site itself actually says, you know, like go through your screenshots, you can maybe identify weather and you can actually see the time that they were taken too, right? So I just told them to go through and get all the rainy ones and just tell me if there's rain, right? I got a couple days, but not enough for data. But He's playing tonight and he's got stars. So, that's really good. There's a salmon, so that's one salmon, that's great. But having stars is one thing. Like, you know, if you have stars, it's really good. Because stars are really specific to your island. Like, you know, there's only so many weather patterns, right? There's only so many weather patterns in a given, like, that could be there in a given day. So, like, they only do so much for you. But, you know, stars are very random. They're entirely random, right? Like, between 7 and 4, it's fair game. There's no patterns. It's just randomly picked. So, it's a lot easier to pinpoint your seed when you have that kind of data. And he's already got... So, like, the fact that, like, there's stars in one night is good. But if you get the minutes that the stars occur, it's even better. And he's already got 2 different minutes that they occur. So after the stream, I'll probably put those in just to see if I can get something. I don't think that'll be enough, but if he gets another minute or 2, he might be in pretty good... We'll be in pretty good shape soon. If we get, like, more, it'll be even better. I'm gonna catch this. It might be worth it. I said that might be worth it, and then what happens? I get a boot. Like, thanks, game. Really appreciate that. I got a present. It's a Tammy bed. I think those have variants. Can't remember for sure. I'm still looking for Wisp's fragments. That's Wisp. That's not a fragment. That's the dude himself. I don't understand where they are. Maybe they're... I don't know where they are. There's still 2 more to get, which is the crazy part. So basically, I have 5. I'm at 17 fragments. So far, they've all been just regular star fragments. I will look for the last 3. I've got to get these 2 more Wisp fragments, and then after that, I got to do some ordering. It's not the order I'm going to do things in, but I'll order some stuff, send some stuff. I need 2 more star fragments now. Where the heck are these Wisp fragments? They are hiding somewhere. Seriously, where are they? This is really weird. Where are they? Oh, they could be over here. I totally didn't go in this area. Logically, this is the place that I didn't actually look. And now they're probably trolling me. Alright, I'm gonna check down here. just have a feeling it might be down here. I don't know where else it would be at this point. That was sad to watch, I'm sure. I'm sorry. This might be another salmon. I feel like they aren't all that rare, it's just the fact that they're only here for 1 month. Makes them slightly elusive. Oh my god, the salmons are big. Okay. Don't mind me. Let's see what he gives me. Flooring. Did he just troll me? He just trolled me! He just trolled me! Okay, confirmed. The Wisp does not help you if he gives you... Ugh, that's so annoying. That's actually, like, really disappointing. So you have the option of something expensive or something new, but he's like, I don't know what values of anything are. So, like, obviously that doesn't matter. It sucks, though, because he said that he would give me flooring, and I have all the flooring that's normally available through Nook's Cranny. So what does that mean? It means I get a piece of flooring that I already have. It's not very helpful. Did I sell one of these? Jeez, I'm an ape. What just happened? With a Wisp? I turned in my items and I said I wanted something new and he said it was going to be flooring and I got a piece of flooring I already had. Wisp cannot give you Sahara furniture. So I got a repeat. So, like, I literally did that for no reason. It's kind of disappointing. Apparently I need this. That might be in my home. Whatever. Lecture hall desk. Yeah, kind of disappointing. Oh well. Alright, so I've ordered some things. For the Long River Boys. What are you? Let's see. Oh. Soft-shell turtle. I'll take it. They don't have a very large window, so I'm happy to get one. That guy, I don't care. So at this point, I'm basically done. 45 minutes in. I just need to get 2 more star fragments. Yeah. That's it. Still have to get the Monarch Butterfly. If I play tomorrow during the day, I can probably grab that. Should be pretty easy. I need 1 more star fragment now. I don't know if I'm gonna find it. Dark brown, natural, and light brown. Dark brown, natural, and light brown. Dark brown, light brown, natural. These 2 things over just for the sake of it. Might as well get rid of some of the clothing so it's easier for me to order things, you know? It's kind of the idea. Alright, so I'm going to send these 2 things. I will look for the last fragment, and then I will be good to go here. Okay. Jeez, why am I so impatient today? Ugh. I love how Marshall's just been standing there for like the entire time I've been playing. There we go. Okay. So, we did our dailies. A leaf was here, so nothing special there. I did see Wisp, so I helped Wisp, but I got absolutely nothing in return because it was a flooring that he offered me, and I have already standard flooring. So, boo. No fun. Got a bunch of stuff in the mail, including one of the mom's items, so that's fun. I'm just gonna put this stuff away. I got 10 things in the Able Sisters, which was pretty cool. Nothing in Nook's Cranny. I got 20 star fragments. And blah 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 blah. What else did I do? I caught like 2 salmon and like another gar, so just working on models slowly. I also got the hula doll from Gulliver, so I customized that along with Mom's cushion and got some more stuff, so that's great. Anyway, I'm gonna be going now. I will be on at some point tomorrow. Maybe in the day. It would be cool if I went on during the day. That's the goal. We'll see though. Anyway, I'm out. It's been a tired time. I will be better tomorrow, I hope.